Hi guys, come let's do our chinchin with condensed milk together. We have 500 grams of flour, 130 grams of butter, 2 eggs, a cup of condensed milk, a teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of cinnamon. Depends on whether you like the taste of cinnamon in the chinchin. Like someone like me, I like the taste of cinnamon in my chinchin. So we are going to mix our dry ingredients together. Then we add our butter in the flour and mix well. So we add our eggs and we add 1 cup of condensed milk, right? And mix thoroughly. Please, guys, like my channel and subscribe to my channel. You can as well comment in the comment section. That will be highly appreciated. So after mixing, you can add water if the dough is too dry. You can add just some quantity of water in it. Yeah, for it to be stretchy. Look at that. Can you see how stretchy it is? So we can now put in a leather we normally put in our Ziploc and set aside for like 40 minutes or 1 hour. But I really left it for longer time. Now we are back. You can see how it has become really strong, but we'll wake it up. Have to stretching it so that it can return to its original shape. Original, sorry, can return to its original state, original, whatever you call it. I hope you understand what I mean. So it's now time to roll out and cut to your desirable shape. Someone like me, I like squared chin chin. Look at that. Look at that. So crunchy, tasty. Wow.